Welcome you all to this session on internal reconstruction. Let us discuss one more problem on internal reconstruction in this session. First, let me go through the problem. Just look at the PPT. The balance sheet of Mohan Limited as on 31st December 2020 was as follows. Authorized capital, preference shares of rupees 10 each 1 lakh, equity shares of rupees 10 each 5 lakh, goodwill 70,000, land and buildings 1 lakh 60,000, machinery 37,500, furniture 15,000, profit and loss account 1 lakh 25,000, preliminary expenses 1,000. This side, subscribed and paid up capital, preference shares 50,000, equity shares 2 lakh 50,000, general reserve 20,000, 6% debentures of 100 each 20,000, bank order 28,500, creditors 40,000. Total of the given balance sheet 4,08,500. The capital reduction scheme approved by the court is as follows. Holders of 6% debentures of rupees 100 each are to be given 9% debentures of 50 each and preference shares of rupees 10 each of equal amount for the remaining amount of rupees 50. So here debentures of 20,000 has to be transferred to 6% debenture holder, then 50%, 9% debentures and 50% preference shares are 10 each. The value of all preference after that, say 50% 10,000, 10,000, 10 rupees. Now it has to be reduced to reduced to 6, in the sense 4 rupees profit to be transferred to, and discount rate is to be, dividend rate is to be increased, that is 9% preference shares. Then the value of equity shares up to 80% has to be reduced, in the sense here equity 2 lakh 50, 80% of that reduced by to be transferred to capital reduction account. Existing shareholders to purchase additional equity shares, so bank account to equity share capital, same entry. That amount received, so must be used for the equity shares of 60,000 cash to pay off full amount of bank overdraft. Full amount of bank overdraft 28,500 and 75% of creditors. 75% creditors in the sense 30,000. So 30 plus 28, 58,500, 1,500 may remain. Machinery and furniture are to be written off in proportion of their book values by 20,000 and 8,000 respectively. So here, before writing off machinery and furniture, you must look into the problem where there is some unappropriated profit, that's 1,25,000, then preliminary expense, both are 50 cents, then goodwill. This item must be written off. So now we shall, you are asked to pass necessary journal entries in the books of company to record about transaction, also prepare balance sheet. Okay, first entry to reduce, before paying of 6% debentures, that has been transferred to debenture holder, that 20,000. Now 50% of rupees 50%, rupees 50, that's 100 rupees each, means 50% new debentures. So now 6% debenture holder account will be 20,000 for half, 9% debentures for half, 10%, 10 rupee preference shares. Then this preference shares must be reduced, means all preference shares existing 5,000, in the sense in issued capital there is 50,000 capital, 10 each, in this is 5,000. Now 1,000 given to preference debenture holder, so 6,000 has to be reduced to rupees 8, means 4 by 4 rupee, 6,000 to 4, 24,000 we transfer to capital reduction. Hope it is clear. In the issue capital there is, say 50,000 means 5,000 shares, and now given to debenture holders 1,000, 10,000 rupees, and if you have 10 you will get 1,000. Then equity shares 80%, 2 lakh 50, 80%, 2 lakh has to be reduced and transferred to capital reduction account. Now new equity shares they have to take to the extent of 60,000, that amount will come bank account debited to share capital account. Now bank overdraft and both the creditors are having credit balance, now give debit by making payment. Bank overdraft full amount and creditor 70%, 30. Bank balance should be used 58,500. Now last capital reduction balance, no balance first, Second, now in third entry 24,000 plus 4 entry 2 lakh 24,000. Yeah, profit loss account 1 lakh 25 and 1,000 premiums, both are 50 cents. Then intangible goodwill 70,000. After that 20,000 from furniture and 8,000 from machinery 20,000, furniture 8,000. It is given amount. Otherwise the proportion they said amount given. It tallies. Now balance sheet authorized as it is. Subscribed and called up. Preference shares 6,006 rupee. 4 rupee reduced. Equity shares out of 2 lakh 50 only 50,000 plus 60,000 1 lakh 10,000. General return as it is 20,000. 9% debenture in place of 6% debentures now 10,000. Creditors 24,000. 25% remaining. Liability has reduced now as it is. Machinery less than 20 that written off. Then furniture 8,000 written off. So then bank account 60,000 received, 28 given to bank overdraft and Towers Bank overdraft, 30,000 to creditors, thereby 1,500 remains. Total of the given balance sheet 1,86,000. So this is all about the problem. Thank you.